18/7/2018 सरकारान बॅन घातलेलो on import of fish. Now this gets over on the 3rd August night. So today we have issued a circular. Government has taken a decision that we need to see that stringent measures are taken and people feel secure as far as the imports of fish are concerned. एक म्हणजे आम्ही दोनच पॉइंट्स ऑफ एंट्री दवरल्या. एक म्हणजे पोळे साउथ गोवा आणि एक पत्रादेवी नॉर्थ गोवा. FDA चे टीम्स डेप्युटेड असतले थंय 12 ते 7 आणि 7 ते 3 म्हणजे 12 वरां रातचे ते 7 वरां सकाळपर्यंत आणि 7 वरांच्यान 3 पर्यंत. Goa Police, Directorate of Transport and Directorate of Fisheries and FDA jointly exercise करतले. Fish traders from Goa dealing with import of fish from outside Goa are to ensure that they have obtained the license and registration under the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 from the FDA within 15 days from the date of issue of this circular. Fish traders operating from outside the state of Goa who are involved in transportation of fish to the state of Goa shall obtain license registration from the concerned state FDA or in the absence of which FDA Goa, and the fish should be transported only through the insulated vehicles. After the end of 15 days period, vehicles bought in by traders without license registration under Food Safety Standards Act will not be allowed to enter the state of Goa. Local fish traders dealing with traders from outside the state shall ensure that these traders comply with the above requirements in order to avoid inconvenience to themselves. Further, the local traders shall ensure the consignment of fish imported by them for sale distribution within Goa is of right quality and free from any kind of contamination, conforming to food safety and standards regulation. Police and transport officials will provide assistance in stopping the vehicles importing fish into the state of Goa so that the FDA team can perform the test on the fish consignments. Director of Fisheries will bring the contents of this circular to the knowledge of all the fish traders in Goa. This has been issued with the approval of the Honorable Chief Minister, and ह्या तरेचे निर्णय घेऊन लोकांनी कसलेच मनान शंका दवरूं नये की आमी कितें करिना, काय लूज रावतले, काय लॅक्स रावतले, तशें काय ना. ते आमी सांगला ह्या दोनूच एंट्री पॉयंटच्यान गोंयान मिस्ते येतले आनी खंयचे एंट्री पॉयंटच्यान पुलीस अलाव करची ना. These are the only 2 points of contact. This is what has been very clearly mentioned in the circular.